Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to show you a brief overview of how to use the LSP Select and Fix Photoshop action. This is included in the LSP Signature Newborn Suite for Photoshop. It's also included as a standalone. I'm currently in the Signature Newborn set, so I'm going to scroll down to the Select and Fix, which is under the Manual Editing section. You can click the instructions for a reminder at any time. The shortcut key is set to F2, which means you can simply press F2 on your keyboard to run this action, or you can click the action here itself to run it. The most important thing, I'm just going to duplicate this layer here, the most important thing is to make sure you are on a selection tool. This can either be the marquee, a lasso, or the patch tool, which is on the spot healing brush menu. I much prefer the patch tool because it allows me to simultaneously patch and use select and fix together, which is kind of like a dream team combo. But for now, I'm going to show you this using the lasso tool. So I want to fix this area here. Now, Select and Fix uses Photoshop's content-aware technology, so please bear this in mind when you're making a selection. So I've selected this whole area here. This image has also been flattened, so there's nothing outside the background. It's not like I've kind of cropped in and left a load of image here, so please make sure you flatten before you use Select and Fix. I've selected this area I want to fix, making sure that I've kept a little bit of the background here, the blue backdrop in, that I wish to carry over. And I'm going to play the action. It's just going to think about it for a minute. It probably won't work completely well. As you can see here, it's left a little bit of baby head in there, but I think that did really well for a first go. So now I'm on the patch tool. I'm going to select this area again, here, and play Select and Fix. A little bit better, but because I'm on the patch tool and this has given me a great base to work on, I can simply drag this up to replace it. Again, I can just drag this layer up here, and that's done. Now I'm going to select this area here. Photoshop has many textures to work with in this image, so I think it's doing a pretty good job figuring out what I want to replace. If the area you're working on is a bit smaller, you'll find you have better results. You can see here that's done a really good job. I'm just going to select this area and patch over here. Patch tool is when you select an area and you can drag it to replace. So for example, I wouldn't want to replace that with baby's face because that doesn't look good. I want to replace this area with a similar area of blanket.